Daddy, what one? What time now? Oh, good morning now. But I wonder if you send it something because when time I look, me know say you never send it.
Send the what that?
I immediately, me never hear you say she send it something. So me ask if she send.
Yeah, she send off something what they make whole if she have to make a bag of changes and everything still, but she eventually send it off so it reach Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday. You can expect it. I go feel pleased, man, cause she put out the effort and she did her best. She get most of the stuff them done. She have to make some whole heap of changes cause them not accept certain things and but she put out the effort and send it.
Yeah, me really appreciate that. She tell me all of the things that we should go through. Me can't even believe say Maggie no can send and then something there. But me that wonder if she send the.
The arm war. Each time you read this your message cut short. The arm stink.
Daddy, you not hear me say? Me say to you, say me understand where she go through, cause me know say she did go through a really rough time for send it up. And me really appreciate. Me I look forward to it. I know this week, man, a week after next, it's supposed to come. By God grace, I hope it come. You never hear me say if she send it. I want daddy. I make her send them emoji them. Me ask if she send it. Daddy, you gone? What Jesus peace? It's something important, you know. Me ask, just ask her then. Ask if she send it. D, what you talk about? Yes, she sent D. No. What name D? Me ask her